Everyone, welcome to Google Chrome videos. In this video we are going to see that how can you recover if you have deleted your history from Google Chrome. So sometimes we just try to clear the cache or other things from our Google Chrome that accidentally deletes the history. Now once you have deleted the history, you have no way of tracking that what websites you have visited in the past, or this is what you thought up till now. But today we are going to show you that how can you actually recover the history that you have deleted from your Chrome. So for that, this process is very simple. All you need to do is just go to myactivity.google.com. So this is the link. Welcome to my activity. That is myactivity.google.com. So Google has this page called Google Activity that has actually all of the history of your account that you have followed, even if you have deleted it from your Chrome. So this using this you can actually view the history and probably visit the links that you have visited in the past. But there is one requirement: whenever you are opening this myactivity.google.com, you need to be signed in to your Google account. So with whichever Google account you are signed in, that's history would be displayed over here. In here you can see that web and app activity is toggled to on. So if I just click on this arrow icon, then you can see these are the two activities that I have done, that is opening Google and using these Google ads. If I want, I can just auto delete the activity that is older than 18 months. If I want to manage my activity, then I can just click on this as well, and this shows me the videos and all the things that I have done. So let's just click on dismiss. These are the links that I have visited on the date, and the links that I have visited, the date and the links that I have visited. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.